Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable Christmas lodge themed lantern bow that you can put on your lantern and put out anywhere you like. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra Bow Wire. I kind of cut it long enough so that I can fold it in half, lay it into the Bowdabra, and just tuck the ends underneath. Now this bow you could actually make in the mini or the regular. And I'm taking this great snowflake, which reminds me of skiing, and this red polka dot ribbon. And we're just gonna lay this down. And this makes a great winter decor. And these are just scraps of ribbon that I cut and then I dovetailed the ends. So you do not get much simpler than this. And I'm just kind of shaping it as I put it in. You'll see I kind of go in opposite directions. We'll put this one in here. I'll take my snowflake ribbon, put that in, and then my red dot. And please remember to subscribe below to our YouTube channel, and also follow us on Facebook because we have so many designs. Then what I'm going to do is just take my skis, and this is actually an ornament. So I'm just going to take the ornament hanger and lay that down into my Bowdabra. And then I will take my wand, give everything a good little push. And I'll take my Bowdabra Bow Wire. You can buy the Bowdabra Bow Wire at bowdabra.com or on amazon.com. And we'll pull this through. And I'm just going to hold my ornament there so it doesn't come out. So now I'll pull it very tight while it's still in the Bowdabra, pull everything out. Then I'm going to pull my wire, bring it around to the back, and I'm just going to tie it off. And you know what's great is ornaments can be used not just at Christmas time, but throughout the year in different themed bows or projects that you're doing. So I'm just going to tie a knot here. Then I'm going to take my cute little lantern, and I'm just going to, first before I tie it on, I'm just going to fluff it out. And just keep fluffing everything, and just fluff by going in opposite directions. This another little fluff, and then I'll just tie it onto my onto my lantern, and we'll just tie that there. And I'm not going to tie a knot here, I'm just going to tie a little bow. You can see this from the overhead camera. And then you have this adorably decorated lantern, which gives you a great ski lodge theme. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please follow us on YouTube and Facebook so that you'll be notified when we have new videos up.